My name is Acacia Brown, and this is my friend.
My name is Josephine.
And first of all, let's start. Where are you from?
I am from South Korea, Busan, South Korea, but my parents were missionaries, so I lived in Sierra Leone, West Africa for 14 years.
Okay. So first question, what activities or methods did you use to learn English outside of school?
Well, when I was a kid, I couldn't understand my friends and stuff, so my mom would let me watch cartoons, like movies, things like that are in English, so with Korean subtitles and stuff, so I understand it more. My friends spoke English, so we didn't communicate, we just used hand movements and stuff, and eventually I hear them talking in English. Eventually I start understanding them.
What activities or methods did you use to learn English outside of school?
Outside of school? Well, I remember sitting with my dad and reading books out loud to him. So that is the one that I remember. It's been a long time, honestly.
That's great.
So, if you could have a teacher or professor know one thing about someone learning English or English language learner, what do you wish that your teachers or professors knew?
I wish they would knew that students who don't speak English as well, or that it's not their first language, that to be patient. Some professors sometimes forget that they're not first primary English learners, so they can sometimes expect the same expectation as a native English speaker. So for that's gonna be hard for people who don't really speak English and have a hard time hearing them. So if they were patient and just always remind themselves that, oh, this student doesn't really speak English, let me go slow, let me use simple words so that they can all understand. That would be really good.
If you could have a teacher or professor know one thing about ELL students that you wish your teachers or professors knew about you, what would it be?
Well, I wish that they knew that we think sometimes very differently and we categorize things of value in a different way, and sometimes that can lead to us to have very different opinions or for us to prioritize things differently. And so it might not be that we are trying too hard or something, we just might not find something as important as the American children.
What is the most difficult or frustrating thing about learning English?
The most difficult and frustrating, I guess it's the grammar. When I was a kid, I really hated grammar, because there's so many rules, so many different words, different meanings for the same word. It's just hard. And also like similar words like there and there. So those things, those were really hard for me. It took me quite a long time for me to understand those, and also like the pronunciation. They're not always the same pronunciation, same accent or something like that, so that's pretty tough.
What is the most difficult / frustrating thing about learning English?
The vowels, honestly. Till this day, I've known English for about 18 years of my life, and I still can't tell you the difference between a longy and a shorty or anything like that. I don't hear it. So being in 3rd grade and having to do phonics was really difficult for me because they would be like, this is how the long E sounds and this is how the short E sounds, and I was like, it sounds the same. I don't know what you're talking about. So the vowel differences were really hard for me in particular, and that along with that came reading.
I answered this a little bit,
Okay.
but what did you do when you were unable to communicate effectively with other students and teachers?
Well, when I was a kid, like I said earlier, I did not understand what they were saying, what they were doing, even in class, like, kindergarten and stuff like that. So what I did was I used my body language, as a kid, if I had to go pee, I would be like standing up, looking around, you know, and stuff like that, and the teacher would understand. And then if I wanted to hang out with my friends, they're playing game, like I'll just look at them at first, seeing what kind of game they're playing, and then I'll join in. And eventually, it came to a point where my friends would understand what I'm saying just through my body language. So people who don't really speak English, they have really good body language, I guess. They'll just take me because that's the only way to communicate. Or just point at things like a picture or something for them to understand what I need or what I want.
What did you do when you were unable to communicate effectively with both students and teachers?
Well, it has been a really long time since then. So I grew up in the valley, which is right on the border with Mexico, and so a lot of people knew Spanish. So what I probably did would ask my teacher in Spanish, since I only knew yes, no, and may I go to the bathroom, and my name is. So, and I entered kindergarten like a week late because I was sick. So, I'm pretty sure that's probably what I did. Or asked one of the other girls in class that knew Spanish and relied on them.
So last question. When you were in school, did you try to make friends even though there were language barriers, or did you kind of stay quiet, like to yourself, and be embarrassed? How did you feel?
Well, I'm a very social person, extrovert. For me, the way I thought when I was a kid was the best way to learn a language and to know the place was to go out and just hang out. That was the best way for me. So when I was a kid, I remember I had neighbors, you know, they were Africans, Syrians, and then they would look at me and I'll look at them because it's fascinating to see Asian guys just staying there. Next thing you know, I'm just started picking up sticks and acting like gun, you know, start playing like, you know, playing war. And for me, that was the best way to communicate to someone, the best way to learn a language. I think, although there's a language barrier, if someone is kind to you, they'll be kind to they're kind to you, you can be kind to them. It's just that concept. Yeah.
Like you feel like you can trust them better.
Exactly. And because of the language barrier doesn't mean that, you know, it does make you feel kind of shy because you can't really speak, but there's also that sense that the best way to learn something is actually doing something, hanging out with somebody.
That's awesome.
When you were in school, did you try to make friends with many people although there was a language barrier, or did you stay to yourself and others that shared your culture?
Well, again, growing up in the valley, that influences it a lot. I do know that the first girl that I became friends with was because I spoke Spanish to her. Because I got into the car and my mom told me about it, and I was so excited that I made a friend. And she asked me for her name, and I was like, I don't know. And then the other friends that I had later in kindergarten were all Hispanic. It wasn't actually until like first grade that I probably made friends with the other kids, but I mean, I still spoke to them, but